Hello! Welcome to my channel, Lucifer. Code with ease. Today's topic is card flip animation. Let's start with the HTML code. Let me select HTML language. This is the basic code for the HTML web page. Add a division with class name card. Add a division with class name flip card back in it. Now add h3 tag with desired text. Create a division with image container class name. Create a division with class text. In that, create a division. Now add h1 tag with desired text. Add AP tag to add data in it. Add span with desired text. This is it for the HTML code. Now let's run the code. Now let's add style to it. Now let's start with CSS Code. Just select the CSS option and start adding style sheet. Now import the font family by adding its URL. Now add a font in the root selector. The root selector matches the document's root element. Let's start with body. Now add root selector's font in it. Add a blackish background color. Add white color. Now let's style card class. Then add position absolute and top 50%, left 50%, and enter transform value as translate -50%. This will arrange every component in the center of the body. Add the width of 210 pixels and height 360 pixels and add white background color. Now add a box shadow of 0 pixels, 4 pixel, and add border radius of 20 pixels. Add a transition of transform 0.5 seconds. Add transform style, preserve 3D. Cursor pointer. Set back face visibility to hidden. Add a WebKit back face visibility to hidden. Add styling to class text. Now add the box sizing of the border box. Add the width of 100% and height 50%. Add a blackish background color. Now add border of 1 pixel, solid and black color. Now add a box shadow of 0 pixels, 4 pixel, and black color. And add border radius of 0 pixels, 20 pixels. Add styling to class text with division. Add the width of 85%. Keep margin auto. Add styling to h1 tag. Now add the bottom border of 1 pixel, solid pink color. Add padding bottom of 15 pixels and font size of 25 pixels. Set font weight to 400. Now let's style p tag and font size of 15 pixels. Set font weight to 400. Now add margin top of 5%. Now let's style span tag. Now add light pink color. Now add margin top of 25% and font size of 10 pixels. Now let's start styling image container class. Add the width of 100% and height 50%. And add border radius of 20 pixels, 20 pixels, 0 pixels, 0 pixels. Now add background URL of the image. Set background repeat to no repeat. Set background attachment to fixed. Now add background position in the center. Set background size to cover. Now let's style card class with a hover effect. And enter transform value as translate -50%. And set rotate Y to 180. Add styling to flip card back. Then add position absolute. Add width and height of 100%. Add a blackish background color. Add white color. Transform it into rotate Y 180 degrees. And add border radius of 20 pixels. Set back face visibility to hidden. Add a WebKit back face visibility to hidden. Add styling to H3 tag. Add the width of 100%. Then add position absolute and top 50%, left 50%, and enter transform value as translate -50%. This is it for the CSS code. Now let's run the code. Now you can see changes occurred because of styling. This is the end product of the whole code. Enjoy the code. Do share this video with your friends. Check this out.